Hello everyone, welcome to Rome Tech. Today we will be discussing how to strike through text in the Messages app on your iPhone. It's super easy. First things first, open the Messages application on your iPhone. Then, select the contact you want to send a message to. Go ahead and start typing your message like normal. Now for the magic. To strike through a word or phrase, double tap on it to highlight it. You can even adjust the highlighted area if you need to grab more or less text. See that little format icon above the P key on your keyboard? Tap on that. This will bring up your formatting options. From this list, simply select the strike through option. Boom! It's applied to the highlighted text. Now you can tap in the message area to continue typing your message if you need to, or just go ahead and send it. And that's it. You've successfully sent a strike through message. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like. And if you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching Rome Tech.